could be rolling. You know you ain't no hurry. Baby, first day of summer, all comes out.
Hi loves, hi plums, how are you doing today? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So practically today we are actually having my baking class today, like baking class exams. So we are expected to bake and do everything, and we'll come like bake the cake, then do the buttercream at home, then you come to the class and design. I hope it goes well. I hope it comes out well. I know it will, because God is with me. So that is just what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to try as much as possible to put you guys all through the day, okay? My eyebrows feel so scattered. Oh God, it's okay. Okay, so let's go in. So the time is like 5. I came back really late from baking class. It was really hectic because we started late, we didn't finish on time and all of that. So I had to pause for a while. I went to around 3:30, 3:28, any of that, to go and pick my kids. Then I brought them back. We all came back to the baking class again, then continued and finished up, and that was just it. So I'm just coming back now, and it's 5 o'clock. It was really a very successful class. The exam went well, we all did well, and yeah, I just showed you guys the video of the cake I did, and it was lovely. So that was just it, and yeah, I want to just go and rest right now. Happy Sunday. Oh, yeah, baby. Happy Sunday, and I hope you went to church today, because service was good. It's good to praise the Lord, right? Get some stuffs that we don't have, especially water though. Came to buy bottled water basically, and get milk. My milk has finished for baking. No, I put it inside here. How do you mean? Daddy. But are you taking it? 2, 3. This one is okay now. Give me another one. See blue. For belly. Why did you even go with that book?
Alright guys. you said it, we believe a man of your word. If you said it, we believe. Everybody rock like a man if you said it, we believe. Everybody rock like. Hold up. If you said, believe it. 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 If you said, if you said it, we believe. A man of your word. If you said it, we
Hi beautiful people, how are you doing today? Okay, so I want to do an unboxing video on my new perfume collections that my husband got for me. We've been waiting for this perfume for like 2 months, 3 months, thereabouts. Yeah, 3 months, I think. It's up to 3 months. So it's finally here and I am excited. Like, and they are so gorgeous. I already opened one though. And it's a lot. It's 4 actually. So I opened one. So let's do this unboxing video. Okay guys, so first off we'll be unboxing this one. Hey, let's unbox it. I don't have so much to say, but let's just unbox it and see how it looks like. So this is Club Daniel. It's French, right? Yeah, it's French. So this is the front. I don't know if you can see it properly. The back, the side, the under, the inside, the everywhere. Okay, so it already smells good. It smells good. So this is what's inside this little card. This is gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Which one is beautiful? Oh my lord. I think I would have just sprayed it here. Now spray. Okay, this is the one I've already opened before. I opened it before doing this video. And this is how it looks like. This is the coach, right? And this one, I'll spray it here and know how it smells like. Oh my god. Please go and get this if you could see it anywhere. It's really nice. Wow. 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 It's Wild Rose. The name is here. Wild Rose. It's really nice. This is like my best. I don't know about you, but this is my best. The smell is so fine. It's so girly, you know, girly. I know the first. Then this one, I'm a fan of this brand. I am a fan. Okay, I think like I'm just a fan of this particular perfume. I don't think I've gotten any perfume outside this ones. I wish you guys could smell this. I wish you could smell it. You will like it. So I'm opening this thing like a mad person. Buy scissors, no. Okay, sorry, unboxing. Let's see. Ooh, I had this, but before it's finished. So I just got the same one. I had this before, but it's finished. So, and we are down to the last one. Ask me why I'm doing that. I have no idea. Nah, let me not let unboxing can be sweet sometimes, so right? Yeah. A similar body. The body is same, just different scents, fragrance. Anyone. That's enough. I like all of them. I'm familiar with this one, so I don't think I want to put this one as my favorite. Like, this is already my OG. So I think like my favorite scent here is this one. Yeah, the smell is so nice. I love this. Then this one, oh, I think you guys can see it. Is it shining there? I don't know why I'm hyping this one. Let you guys not gonna try it and then like you like it's just there. But I love the scent. I love the fragrance. Okay, that's the end of my unboxing video, and I hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Big up to my brother, yeah. Yeah, yeah. It won't be another like you, no, no. To grow up in the same home as big fella was a gift in itself. I miss you, dog. Shout out to my lover, yeah. Yeah, yeah. The holder of my heart and my best friend. How I fooled you into marrying me was a miracle, no cap. My pop would say that. Hey, look here, 2021 could've really dust my fire and stripped away every single dream and desire from me. But God had a plan from the start, I believe it for sure, for sure. In the midst of pain, I held on to my faith. Million little miracles, a million little miracles, million little miracles. Count your miracles, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Million little miracles, yeah. A million little miracles, a million little miracles, yeah. Million little miracles. Count your miracles, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't even count them all. Yeah. I can't even count them all. I can't even count them all. I can't even
Sit down. I don't want all those errands. To do video on your birthday package that they give you in school. Should I do a video? Okay, baby, let's unbox it. Oh yeah, come and do the unboxing video. Come now. Why are you fighting with it? Easy, baby. Wow. See her face. You've already eaten the biscuit. Wow, I like this. Is this for mommy? Is this for mommy? Eh? It's for you? It's pretty. Which one again? Juice? You've eaten your biscuit. Did they give you biscuits? Did they give you cake? Did they give you cake? Okay. Wow, so you have a new lunch box. This is so cute. This is cute. I hope you wish the person happy birthday. Open. The person's name is Zero.
Yes.
Another cutlery. Yay! Velen, baby. So mommy should not be putting your old cutlery. You want mommy to be putting this one? Eh? Okay, no problem. It's cute.